Welcome back to another video of Earthbound Beginnings. Welcome back. So let's continue. Let's go to the Duncan factory. For now, let's navigate this town. I just explored the half of it. So yeah, explore the half of the town and talk to the NPCs here. So we can do this. My husband is an important man at Twinkle Elementary. I never pack him lunch from home. He's so important, he never has time to eat. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Okay, I can understand why he is very complainant to me. Psst, check it out. I swipe a battery from Duncan's factory north of here. Okay. I don't know what to do with that. Get to school. You are a school boy, aren't you? How dare you? Oh. Damn. There you go. Okay. At least. Oh, nice. Yeah, level 18. Nice. Good. Congrats. I'd like to be a doctor and help sick people and make lots of money the week. Oh yeah. The railroad tracks have been blocked by gigantic boulders. The train cannot get past. Don't you worry, madam. We are going to do it. You know, if it were up to me, I'd probably use a Duncan factory rocket to blow up the rocks on the trucks. Don't you worry, mister. You will see it. I've heard that in Duncan's factory up north, they've started building huge rockets. Hey kid, why aren't you at school? You have school, don't you? Yeah. How are you going to get the rocks off of the train tracks? If we let the city hall take care of it, they'll be there well into the next year. Of course. You know politicians were how they are. Goods. Battle rocket. Yeah, I know. Bam. Ow! Nice. Nice. Ew. There you go. Oh, nice. Dude, really? Very speed. Okay. Okay. Let's get some. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, I will. Okay, Card Express is Your delivery charge is $18. You can vote yes. Okay. You can take up 3 chains. Alright. Yes. Slap brace. Okay. Okay, yes. Thank you. Wait, let me look. Okay. Right then. Okay. Oh. Okay. No. No. Okay. Beat this guy up. Bang. There you go. Okay. Let's do this. Mm-hmm. 257. Okay, at least I know what to do now. Okay, Paradise Line. Oh, Newton found the pass that someone had dropped. Newton secretly pocketed it. Of course. Wait, yeah, we are in the right way. I forgot to do it. Later. Okay. Later, I will stream it on TikTok later. Oh, okay. Give it to him. Yeah. Lloyd, please eat it. You need that for your strength. There you go. Cheeseburger. Okay, another one. Give it to that. Give it to this guy. Oh. Oh. You serious, dude? Bark. This factory is Mr. Duncan's private property. Let's see your pass. Sorry, but this is expired, kid. You swipe it, didn't you? You're suspicious. Look me in the eye. Oh my goodness, dude. Really? Okay, let's bomb you. Ow. Okay. Boom. Okay. Ow. There you go. There you go. 200. Damn, nice. Goodness, 2. Gonna be serious. Okay. Let's go to the factory and launch this. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Nope. I think I'm going to the right. To the left. To the left side of it. Oh. Okay. Oh man. All okay. 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 Oh. There you go. Nice. I hope next was Lloyd. Fish. Ah, nice. Yes. Almost died there. Oh. There you go. Bombed. Oh, no. You. Ah, there you go. I'm in the right. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Nice. Okay, thank you for the attacking on me only. There you go. You are defeated immediately. Thank you for that. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Do not do that. Do not do that, game. There, thank you. Okay, your scrap. Okay. Okay. Where am I going? Where should I go next? Ah. Oh, nope. Oh, nope, not gonna happen. Should I go to here? No. Oh, nope, not gonna happen. Oh my goodness, dude, really? Dude, really? I see you there. Oh. Okay. Oh. Nope. Nope. Ah, man, where could I get? Where can I go here? Okay. And by the way, I apologize for the noise of the rain, so because of the monsoon. There's a monsoon happening right now in my country. Oh, I apologize for that if there is some noise of the rain like that, because I don't have a microphone that is, I think that was the word again, that has no noise cancellation. Oh no, do not do that, do not do that, do not do that. Oh, okay, dude. Oh man. Okay. Do not kill him. Okay. Oh no. Okay, anything. Yep. Alrighty then, let's check this out. force capsule. I think for me. Okay. I need that. Oh. Oh, what the good? Oh my goodness, dude. Why? Okay. Oh, nope, nope, nope! Okay. Oh, man. Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh yeah. Do not do that. Okay. Alright. No problem here. The battle rocket can be used here. Aiming at the rock. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go. Fire. Okay. Okay. There you go. That's for caption. Oh. Okay. What happened? What happened to the guy? Oh man. Oh. Okay. Mayunang kayo sa akin. Ay! Get away from me. Okay, there. Thank you. Thank you for cooperation. Okay, let's go here. Wait. There there's something. There's no super spray. Nope. I don't care about that. It's finished, so let's go. Oh, why you running, miss? Go. Okay then. Oh. Oh, still brave. Still brave for me. Oh, hello, it's your dad. Okay. I don't care. I know. Okay. Oh. You cannot do that. There you go. Dead. Okay, let's go. But first, I will do the off-cam later on, rating the new at the thumbnail of this video, so you can, you know. You know what I mean. Later on we will need to, okay, where is the hotel here? Okay, this here. Okay, this your dad. Okay, nice. Oh man, yeah. Okay, I know. Oh, it's fine, I have money. Thank you very much. Dad. Okay, I know. And then, thank you for watching, everybody. There will be no editing in this, so good luck watching it full. So thank you for watching, everybody.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears, and sing a ta-ra-ra